How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Troyce here, and today I'm going to show you how to make keto pasta with zucchini noodles. I'm going to show you how to make this, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. All right, let me show you how to make these keto zucchini noodles with homemade Alfredo sauce. All right, here we go. I was able to pick up these veggie spirals from Aldi's. Zucchini. They've already been pre-sliced. Macros are incredible for keto. And the cooking directions are right here on the side. We're going to let them thaw out. So for the homemade Alfredo sauce, we're going to use 1 cup of heavy cream. Followed by 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to allow the butter to melt down into the heavy cream. And stir every 30 seconds. We're going to add some shredded cheese. I'm adding Colby Jack. You could add cheddar. A dash of real salt. A generous amount of onion and garlic powder. And a good amount of black pepper. Keep stirring, you don't want the sauce to burn. And mix all the ingredients thoroughly until they're evenly combined. Keep the fire on medium heat. Then we're going to add these zucchini noodles that have been thoroughly thawed out and strained directly into the sauce. We're going to stir the zucchini noodles into the sauce and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes on medium heat, stirring occasionally, and there you go. Zucchini noodles in Alfredo sauce. All right, look at this pasta. It looks amazing. Now for a taste test. Man, this is so good. It tastes exactly like pasta without the carbs. Absolutely amazing. The texture is spot on. The taste is second to none. The sauce is creamy, and the sauce tastes exactly like creamy Alfredo sauce. This is incredible. I made a few keto pasta dishes already on my channel. I think this one's actually my favorite one thus far. Wow, what a delicious pasta. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 recipes I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're going to enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your day. Matt Troyce signing out. Seafood pasta?